In relation to motility disorder of esophagus, draw a schematic diagram showing the Chicago classification based on esophageal motility findings. The current status of per-oral endoscopic myotomy in treatment of esophageal diseases. Define the following three terms giving an example of each: case control study, cohort study, interventional study. List the advantages and disadvantages of each of these study designs over the others. In relation to human nutrition, write briefly on bioimpedance analysis, short bowel syndrome. Describe the gastrointestinal changes and involvement in patients with myasthenia gravis, diabetes mellitus. A 22-year-old male patient present with chronic constipation and hard stools for 4 years. There was no history of fever or weight loss. He was found to an ulcer at 8 cm in the rectum. Discuss most likely diagnosis and differential diagnosis. How would you investigate? How would you treat? List the various methods used at endoscopy to diagnose Helicobacter pylori infection. Discuss the relative strength and weakness of each of these tests. Describe in brief the following: anatomical components of upper esophageal sphincter, Brunner's glands. Diagnosis and treatment of Giardia lamblia infection, the interaction of IgA deficiency and Giardia lamblia. In relation to patients with diarrhea, discuss the following: clinical and laboratory distinction between osmotic and secretory diarrhea, three conditions each causing the above types of diarrhea. Discuss the tests used to measure the gastric emptying rate. A 36-year-old patient presented with anemia and found to have multiple polyps in colon. Describe your management plan, discussion on family screening, genetic counseling, and testing. What is cccDNA? Draw a pictorial representation of its role in hepatitis B virus life cycle. What is significance of chronic hepatitis B? What are the evolving strategies to target cccDNA? In relation to alcoholic hepatitis, explain methods used to assess the severity of disease, role of liver transplantation in its management. Genetic mutations associated with chronic pancreatitis. What is the likely mechanism of CFTR mutation in causing chronic pancreatitis? Dominant stricture in primary sclerosing cholangitis. How would you differentiate primary sclerosing cholangitis from autoimmune cholangitis? Would you treat or not a 28-year-old male patient with following conditions? Give reasons and if as how. Would you do a liver biopsy? HBsAg positive, HBeAg negative, anti-HBeAg positive, SGPT28, HBV DNA 1200 copies per ml, FibroScan 4.5 kPa, HBsAg positive, HBeAg negative, SGPT 124 international unit, HBV DNA more than 105 copies per ml, FibroScan 10 kPa. Draw a diagram showing the temporal profile of serological and molecular markers beginning with infection in patients with hepatitis C virus infection. Factors that influence the risk of development of chronic hepatitis C in a person with this infection. Long-term outcomes of chronic hepatitis C and their frequency. Treatment of patients with chronic alcoholic pancreatitis with diarrhea due to malabsorption. What is the role of endoscopic treatment in such patients? Define the term portal hypertension. Briefly describe the technique used to measure portal pressure. What are the indications for such measurement in clinical practice? Pathophysiology of Crohn's disease, identifying the key pathways and molecules which are the target of biological agent. What is 16S rRNA? How is it used to study the gut flora? List the strengths and weaknesses of this method for studying the gut flora. Involvement of liver in COVID-19, including its frequency, clinical manifestation, laboratory findings, pathology, pathogenesis, and its significance. Define the term sarcopenia. What is the relationship of this condition with chronic liver disease? Discuss the methods for assessment of sarcopenia and the particular challenges in using these in patients with chronic liver disease. Peritonitis associated with continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis, pseudomyxoma peritonei. A 45-year-old patient underwent ERCP for bile duct stone. She developed acute abdominal pain after 1 hour of the procedure. Discuss the differential diagnosis, management options. Immune checkpoint inhibitors, vonoprazan. How do you classify fundal varices? What are the risk factors for fundal variceal bleeding? What are the current therapeutic strategies for treating fundal variceal bleeding? Pancreatic cystic neoplasm, types and imaging features. Approach to a 70-year-old patient with branch duct IPMN. Surveillance strategy for IPMN. In relation to Pitt-Jaeger syndrome, indicate the underlying genetic defect and inheritance, clinical manifestation and management. CRISPR-Cas9 whole exome sequencing.